following transformations would map the following regular hexagon onto itself. Select all that apply. Well, the first thing that I see, since it is a regular hexagon, is that there's 6 sides. So let's try 360 divided by 6, which is 60. And the fact that we got that allows us to answer, at least here, but it's select all that apply. So we need to watch out for that answer right there. But now that we have done that, let's just look at this for a second, and I will try to trace this figure accurately. As a reminder here, if we twist this, our figure still lands on itself. And if we twist this, well, you got to get the right thing there. Twist, done. Try this again. I'll twist. And it lands on itself. Twist, lands on itself. Twist, lands on itself. And all the way back around, lands on itself. So in terms of the answers here, and I know I do think that it is A. And at some point here, but I want to take a look at letter F, which is also an answer to this problem. And watch how this happens again, and maybe I can do better this time. But we went, oh my gosh. We went 60 degrees. And then we went another 60, which is 120. If we go another 60, there's 180. Another 60, there's 240. Another 60, there's 300. And then when we go full circle, so to speak, we end up where we started. And that's why 300 is also one of the answers. Now we need to go back and look at some of the others there. The one thing that I can say is that 60 does not go into 100 evenly, so it's not G. But we need to look at the rest of them to determine. It says reflection over the line y equals x. Well, I'm going to start here. And we're going to go through the origin, and we're going to end here. Once again, when we're dealing with this, if I start, say, at this point, we can go 1, 2, 3, 4 to this. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
And because this point doesn't land on the green hexagon, we do not reflect over the line y equals x. Once again, though, it's helpful to be able to erase over here, so I recommend writing in pencil. And the next one is a reflection over the line over the y-axis. So if we take a look at this one, here's our y-axis. If we fold that graph along that pinkish purple line, will the right side of the graph land on the left side? Yes. Gonna erase again. Let's try a reflection over the line y equals 2. Well, y equals 2. It's here. If you don't know that, then type it into Desmos. But as you visually look at this, you can tell that the top half of the hexagon will not land on the bottom half of the hexagon. So we do not reflect over the line y equals 2. And again, let's erase and see if reflection over the x-axis will work. And the x-axis is here. And what we can see is if we fold this along the purple line across the x-axis, the top half of the hexagon will land exactly on the bottom half of the hexagon. So letter E is also a choice. Watch out for the select all that apply.